Hello everyone, Tristan here. Today I'm going to show how to run very smoothly for this kind of high resolution footage in 1 minute. That is very important, especially if you are working with a large footage. So if you want to run something, you don't need to wait and you can run whenever you want to run. So without saying too much, like I started, in this video I will show with the 60K resolution video. So there are 3 different ways. The best one is the last one. So the first one is by clicking the proceed button. So you will notice it will lower down half of the resolution. The shortcut for this one is Ctrl P. So the next one is you need to turn on the proceed button at the project setting. You can also proceed with scale and also format. The last one is you need to render the lower resolution of your high resolution footage, and then you need to put the lower resolution footage for a location into the proceed parameter of the high resolution footage setting, and then click Ctrl P. After that, click the run button. You will get very smoothly than the first 2 ways. The reason why the last one is the best one is the last one is you don't need to render and lower down half of the footage frame by frame. You already lower down the whole footage. So thank you so much everyone. Hope you enjoyed this. We will see you in the next one.